He needed to move the furnace and he needed to move the hot water heater. It was going to require some ductwork modifications to push everything out of the way so that we could make room so that he could get the furnace over where he wanted, the hot water heater out of the way, and then be able to do the bathroom exactly the way the plan, or his plan, was calling for. The furnace and the air conditioner are already at least 12 years old. So when they're that old, sometimes it makes sense just to modify the ductwork and move everything. Sometimes, especially with refrigerant and the air conditioner, we're going to be moving this a lot further away. Therefore, we're going to have to disconnect the outside unit from the inside unit. We're going to have to recharge the system when we're done anyway, and that can be a fairly significant part of the cost. So we're going to quote a new air conditioner along with the new furnace just to see how the numbers work and see how he feels about it.